is tons of rain. Is it? That is tons of rain. Cool. It looks like I'm standing outside. Alright? So we be the outside dogs. I can't believe they're outside dogs though. Whoa. That is so much rain. The driveway. The driveway. Whoa. Look at that. I'm outside now. Look at that sky. Oh. Wow. Might have to just snack on some food in my bedroom tonight, eh? Well. Can you see the reflection of the TV? Yep, my sister's watching it. Wow. That is a lot of rain, guys. Whoa, look at that, how it bounces off. So it bounces off. Like from there, see? Carpet. This is just a quick ad break. Bye.